With the Tachyon platform, you are able to manage your carbon intensity and your carbon footprint. Through Tachyon onboarding, we are able to integrate with your systems through either pulling or pushing data, depending on your IT needs and restrictions. Once data has been integrated with our system, you are then able to go in and start managing your organization. By managing your organization, you're able to define your structure, and your structure can consist of companies, oil fields, subfields, regions, or facilities which are specific to EPA reporting. In this instance, we're able to, let's take a look at facilities. So I have Brazos Valley. Brazos Valley facility actually has a facility tab. When I click on the facility tab, I'm able to put in my EPA facility ID, identify the basin that I'm in, and the counties and states that I am participating in. Once I have this, I'm able to go to our EPA tab. Tachyon is integrated with all EPA data through 2010. Right here we're showing from 215 to 220, and I'm actually able to go in for this facility and see the information that was entered in the previous year. The combination of this data with the important data allows us to preemptively fill in information in the Subpart W and Subpart C process for submitting for the current year. So you take the baseline that was for the previous year plus the new information coming in from your facilities to merge in and create a seamless way to enter data into Subpart W and Subpart C. So here you can explore the data, you can download it, you can view the location where it's at. But after you've done that, you're actually able to go into Aurion and start doing either create an assessment, which an assessment consists of all of these parts down here. It consists of either a carbon intensity baseline, which is OpG, or Subpart W, which is our carbon footprint. Or you can actually use one of our preloaded frameworks or create a framework. And some of the preloaded frameworks are like SAS-B, or you can create your own surveys that you want to track and fill out throughout the year, like diversity. So I could click here, and I can look at SAS-B, and this is SAS-B. Now, given that you have SAS-B, you could actually take this and modify it and tailor it to your needs of your corporation, add additional questions, remove questions, whatever is needed by your corporation. Now, we have surveys. In addition to this, we have surveys and frameworks, but assessments is where you really go to. Assessments is what you're going to use to basically say, this is for a reporting period, what I want to do. And you can see here I've created a few that were like requested on. It shows you the requested date, when it's due, and what it's going to be using as its estimator, and if there's a framework involved, meaning that someone needs to fill out that information. So I can look through these, and I can click here, and I can go through each organization and see who I've requested to do a run. In addition to this, you can run Subpart W without doing an assessment. If this doesn't make sense to you, you can go here, go to Subpart W, and you can now run a Subpart W yourself directly by going in here and saying 2022 and entering your facility ID. So I could just enter a facility ID like 10275, and I can tell it to sync, and it's going to go to the EPA database and pull the information over. In addition to this, if I was fully integrated into your system, you would see your information populating like high pneumatic bleeds. What we've done here is we've simplified the Subpart W and the Subpart C spreadsheet, giving you the ability to enter this information and only see the information you need to enter. If you notice, this is a smart form, which allows you, if I say change to liquefied natural gas, it shows me what I need to fill out or what I could fill out based upon what information I have available. After you're done, you can run this and you can get a result, and we show multiple results. So we give you your top base information, plus we give out the base values coming from the summary that will be submitted to the EPA. So you can give it a click view. We provide the ability to download the spreadsheet or the XML to submit to the EPA.